A glimpse behind the scenes at the Heavydrive Assembly Solutions. In order to offer customers the perfect glass assembly solution, the Heavydrive experts work behind the scenes around the clock. The basic prerequisite for the optimal assembly solution is an intensive exchange with the customer and expert advice, which begins as early as the planning phase of the project. Heavydrive also offers a range of digital services, such as advice via video chat, the WhatsApp service, the Heavydrive app, and the digital device finder. The Heavydrive systems can be combined in a number of ways depending on the size of the pane and weight. In the case of special construction site conditions, the Heavydrive experts in the company's own workshop adapt the systems precisely to the customer's needs. In this way, the customer always precisely receives the assembly solution that is tailored to their individual requirements. Thanks to its international experience, Heavydrive is always up to date on trends and standards in the construction industry. Accordingly, the experts are constantly developing new assembly equipment. The Heavydrive standard service also includes repairs, as well as continuous maintenance and care of the systems. Experts check the Heavydrive devices regularly and carry out tests in accordance with country-specific regulations, such as accident prevention inspections. This all-round service guarantees smooth deployment of the equipment, as well as a customized, cost-efficient solution for every construction site situation.
Heavydrive.